How was your day? How's your day been so far? Do you need help? Need a hand with that? I'm very excited. I'm so pumped about this. Can you do something for me? Could you do me a favor? I don't want that. I'll pass on that, thanks. I don't know. I'm not sure, honestly. Can you say that again? Sorry, could you run that by me again? You should try this. You might want to give this a shot. I will go tomorrow. I'm thinking of heading there tomorrow. That's interesting. Oh, that's pretty cool. You should try the new restaurant. You've got to check out that new spot. That's surprising. No way, really? I like reading books. I'm really into reading these days. I had a busy day. My day was pretty hectic. Can I use your phone? Mind if I borrow your phone for a sec? Do you want some water? Want to grab some water? I'm happy with it. I'm totally fine with that. I feel tired. I'm wiped out. Let's meet tomorrow. How about we catch up tomorrow? I don't understand. I'm a bit lost here.